I'm not a rapper, told y'all I'm not a rapper. I'm a Golden Globe nominated actor. This is just a chapter, singing folk songs in my attic, save those for after. I eat the game for breakfast, right now I'm just napping. What chick should I fuck next? Tell me your favorite actress name. It'll be the Walk of Shame meets the Hollywood Walk of Fame. I'm James Dean meets Walk a Flock of Flame. Here to unlock the game, fuck her so hard that she may never walk the same. Only in competition with myself, I'm suicidal. Do or die, the new American Idol, holding a rifle. Baby Jesus on the dash, preacher man clutching the Bible. I don't pray for success, I just pray I never stay idle. If I wanted to be these other rappers, I'd probably be them. If I wanted to see these other rappers, then I could see them. I know they thinking, but D, you're up like Europeans. They don't be letting rappers up in the places we in. Man, I'm just trying to win. Tell me it's now or then, it's whenever I feel. Don't let me relapse again, don't get me back in that Benz. Don't get me back to my sins, don't get me crashing the party lest you attaching a lens. If I have one goal, one dream before it all ends, it's to die happy and make this real life look like pretend. Enemies and enemies always make for the best friends. So I'm cool with everybody, but I hate everybody, amen. Money to the ceiling till the fan can't even spin. They say to your peers, what you think about them? I'm in a league of my own, they better leave me alone. It's sad it took another man to make y'all get in your zone. Hey, check my resume, I've been killing shit every day. Rap, folk, rock, pop, I've been killing it every way. Tours on tours, man, I've been killing it every state. Check the cleanest corner, we really killing it every day. Really illy, you feel me? I'm busy, don't call me, I'm sorry. I'll hit you tomorrow when I'm having a party. Cause the only thing worse than not living the moment is celebrating and realizing you weren't a part of it from the start. Shit, I'm half-hearted, half-tired of rapping and satire. Fuck bitches like Quagmire as I pass by you. Fuck your brand and fuck your stand and fuck your underhanded compliments. I'd rather have some real accomplishments than all that nonsense hype. I don't like it, I don't try it, I don't buy it. I work for mine, I'm stay on autopilot, man, I wait in line. Fuck a VIP, I'm not trying to be too good for anybody. I'm just regular OD, regular old me. The same young man who used to stay in the streets, writing graffiti, ducking, dodging police. Young boy Dave, also known as DYSC. This is statute of limitations mixed with freedom of speech. Still fighting my own fight, still independent, still trucking. When the dealer's out to get you, you get pretty good at bluffing. Funny they think I'm something, really I'm still nothing. I guess I'm more than them, but then again that don't mean nothing, man. I shake hands with these vloggers, like man, these the dopest guy. Then I send them my new shit, what I get? No reply. You ain't get my email, wrong address, no postage. Write my raps on sticky notes, the only way I'm getting posted. Young love, hating and broke, but I'm not hopeless. This is me right now, I'm putting y'all on notice. Support quality or become irrelevant. That goes for anybody selling shit. It's just common sense. Never said I was a rapper and don't wanna be. Some actors only do comedy and some only do drama beat. But some do it all like Brad Pitt, Will Smith, Johnny Depp. Who I wanna be, real shit. They say I'm too pretty for rap, too street for rock and roll, too country for pop. Bitch, I'm on a